In this video, I will show you how you can get back a deleted app on your iPad. Now, before we start, I would like to say that sometimes when you delete an app from your iPad, now for example, let's delete this app. Now it might be removed from the home screen, but it will remain in the app library. As you can see, it is not available on the home screen, but if I open the app library and if I search the name of the app in this section, as you can see, the app is not deleted, it is just removed from the home screen. Now to get it back on the home screen, just tap and hold on the app icon and select Add to Home Screen. As you can see, this is how you can get the app back on your home screen if you have removed it from the home screen. But if you have deleted the app completely from your iPad, for example, let's delete this app. Now to get it back, first of all, just open the App Store, then tap on your profile icon over here. From this menu, just tap on Apps. Now sometimes it might be called Apps and Purchase History, and just tap on either of them. And from here, just tap on Not on this iPad. And from here, you will find all the apps which are deleted from your iPad. Just keep in mind that the apps will appear over here are the apps which are downloaded using the same Apple ID. If you have downloaded any app using a different Apple ID and if you have deleted later on, you will not be able to find it over here using any other Apple ID. You will have to use the Apple ID which was used while downloading the app. Now to get the app back to your iPad, just tap on the download icon over here and you will get the app back on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.